there was this interesting object right here. And it is a huge snake. Just a big old I don't think it's a poisonous snake. But here's my trekking pole. And I'll just say it's, I don't know, a foot longer than the pole is right now. So I don't know, bull snake, rat snake, take your pick. Oh, let's see what we got there. It is trying to scare me by rattling its tail, and it did a good job of that. But it is no rattlesnake. See you later, buddy. Well, there's my friend the snake. As I come back, it's decided to cross the trail. Although pretty slow, if you ask me. But once again, to give an idea of the size, there's my trekking pole. My trekking pole is probably on the shortest setting. I'll look it up later. Now he's moving. Also in the sunshine.